Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class, we are going to discuss how to calculate a mean, that means average, the maximum value and the minimum value and the average value of an array, of an NumPy array. How we have to calculate these three calculations. Mean means average. As you all know, average means number of sum of elements divided by number of elements, that is the average, or in other words it is also called mean. And what is maximum? The maximum top value in the array is called maximum value. Minimum value means the least number in an array. Maximum value means the highest number in an array. Mean value means the sum of all the elements divided by total number of elements in an array. Okay. For example, we can take our same old example 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It is a nested list. So mean means what? Mean means we have to add all these numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. So sum will come divided by how many number it is? 9 divided by 9. So if you do that, mean will come. Maximum number is, by seeing we can tell 9 is the maximum number and minimum number is 1. But for system, how to calculate it? In NumPy it is very easy. We are having methods, direct methods for finding out all these things. So ready-madely developers are coded. Ready-made code was available, simple. So after importing NumPy as NP, so after passing this list to array method and storing it in a variable arr, so after that we need to call mean method on that object arr dot mean. If you give like that, it will automatically calculate the contents available in arr variable. Contents, it will do mean of all these things and it will display the result. And same in the case of max also. The max method will be performed all these elements. It will compare one element with other elements. Everything will be done automatically and final result will come as 9. And min method also same. So these are the three methods we need to remember. And if you want to know the particular row, in a particular row which element is highest or which element is um, lowest, row wise, column wise, then we have ready-made methods are available, amin and amin or amax. Those methods are available. So you need to pass an array comma axis, you need to specify. If you want to know the highest or lowest number in a column, then you need to pass argument axis is equal to 0. And in the same thing, if you perform or if you want to know the maximum or minimum value in a row, then axis is equal to 1. You need to pass axis is equal to 1. Then it will perform row wise uh, um, comparison and it will display the minimum number. Okay. So this is the brief explanation about these methods. Let us see it in our Jupyter notebook. Let's jump into the Jupyter notebook. Yeah, here. So up to this, just simply delete all the unnecessary cells here and then add one more cell from this. So all these things, we had initialized one list, we had imported NumPy module. After that we had passed this list let's take integer. Okay, this is the array. Okay, now what we have to do, what is the scope of this class? We need to find the average of the all these elements. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Average means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. The sum will come divided by the number. How many numbers are there? 9. So that sum divided by number of elements in the array, 9. So mean will come. Let us do it. A dot array dot mean, mean. If you call this method and if you run it, 5 is the mean of the array. Like that, array dot maximum number in this array. So run it and run it. See, 9 will come. That is easy, we all know, but it will automatically perform internally and run. 1 will come here, 1. Okay, and then that is the minimum value. So mean, maximum, min, it was performed on the array automatically. And what if you want to know minimum or maximum number row wise or column wise? So in this row, what is the maximum? 3. What is the minimum? 1. And in this row, what is the maximum? What is the minimum? 4 is the minimum, 6 is the maximum number. In this row, 7 is the maximum, 9 is the 7 is the minimum, sorry, 9 is the maximum. And if you want to perform column wise operation, what is the maximum, what is the minimum number? You need to see it vertically. So for knowing all these things, we have a min method is available. You need to pass an array here and you need to specify in which axis you need to do the operation. 0. If you give 0, it will np dot min here. Here column wise operation is performed. Column wise operation, 0 means column wise operation is performed. So in this column, 1 is compared with 4 and 4 is compared with 7 and 1. Everything will be compared and the minimum value of these 3 vertical elements is 1. Okay, and like that it is performed in the second column also and third column also. And the same if you give max method and run it, it will give 7 8 9 because 7 8 9 is the maximum in this entire column, second column and the third column. And let us suppose say np, if you want to perform a row wise, that means you need to put axis is equal to 1. So the difference will come if you change the axis 0 to 1 because 0 is for column and 1 is for rows. Let us run it. Here you see the minimum number in this row is 1. Okay, 1 will be substituted. And the minimum number in this second row is 4. Okay, 4. Minimum number in the third row is 7. Let's 7. And if we change it to max, max, that is maximum number. We want to find maximum number along the row, each row. Okay, so let's do it. Run it. Okay, 3 6 9. So the maximum number along the row wise is 3 here. So 3 came up and here it is 6 came up and then here it is 9 and 9 came up. So this is the method of checking maximum and minimum numbers along row wise and column wise also and for the total array also. Friends, this is about checking, and in the next class we will see some more topics. Till then, bye bye. Yours Veera signing off. Thank you for listening.